migrating from an earlier version of Vault merge replication. If you were not aware, Autodesk's Vault's underlying SQL replication technology changed in Vault Professional 2022. Vault Professional 2021 and earlier used something called merge replication to synchronize databases. Vault Professional 2022 and later uses transactional replication. Why did Autodesk make this change happen? Autodesk Vault had been using merge replication for many years, over 10 years. Our experience was that it's not very well supported by Microsoft. So when Autodesk was encountering problems and reporting them to Microsoft, getting those issues addressed was taking a very long time. Merge replication has proven unreliable, and this has resulted in a high support overhead, but also a lot of problems for customers. Transactional replication happens in near real time. It's very stable and it's very robust, and it's used by a lot of other third-party vendors. And because the subscribers are read-only, the Vault server connected to a subscriber doesn't write to the subscriber. It uses remote SQL to write to the publisher. Because of that, all of the subscribers are all writing to the publisher. So because all of the information is automatically synchronized with the publisher, there's no need to have this concept of ownership. So in a disconnected scenario, a subscriber that gets disconnected from a publisher gets turned into a read-only server, and so users won't be able to make any changes to that. But it also means that we don't have some of the problems that we discovered with ownership. It makes the environment less complicated, more robust. Why is this important? The underlying Microsoft SQL platform technology used does not support automatically switching from one method to the other. So Microsoft SQL doesn't provide any API support to automatically migrate from merge replication to transactional replication. The only method SQL supports is to tear down any existing replication. And that means all of the subscribers will stop being subscribers. They will become orphaned temporarily. They won't have any databases. All of the data will be copied over to the publisher, and the publisher will effectively turn into a subscriber. The subscribers or any Vault server connected to a subscriber, they will retain their file store. It's only the database that is being centralized during this process. So in a Vault 2021 replicated environment with lots of subscribers, that replication environment needs to be torn down to a single site server, and then once the database is migrated to Vault 2022 or later, the replication can then be recreated manually. So to summarize, what's the process? We would, on the publisher, install Vault Professional 2022. You can also install it on all of the existing servers. When you are installing Vault Professional 2022, you need to make sure that all of the subscribers have their ADMS consoles turned off as well, and that means just logging out and closing the application. Once Vault Professional 2022 or 2023 is installed, on a machine connected to the publisher, start the ADMS console. The ADMS console will automatically offer to disable the replication if you haven't already done it manually. There'll be an option to record the current subscription information to the ADMS console. This is the message that you receive after upgrading to Vault 2022 or later. When starting the ADMS console, a replication from an earlier release will be detected. A message will pop up saying it's no longer supported. It will be possible at this point to cancel and rewind by uninstalling Vault 2022 and reinstalling Vault 2021. However, if proceeding, the current merge replication will be removed. In other words, Vault Server will copy all unreplicated files back to the file store on the server connected to the publisher. And after synchronizing all of the files and all of the data in the databases, all Vault databases on all subscribers will be deleted. At that point, no users will be able to connect to any of the subscribers. The publisher will be turned into a single site server. Vault Server will offer to record details of the existing replication information into the ADMS console. So if you tick that box to save details of an existing replication environment in the ADMS console, that's where it's going to be written. You then click proceed and you are asked, are you sure? And if you have ticked that box in the first dialog box, this is the kind of information that you will be able to see written into the ADMS console log. You can see that we've got the work group name, the label, the agent account. This is the account that is used to write or read from the snapshot. We also get a list of all of the Vault servers that are connected to that publisher and the location of the snapshot location. Once replication is disabled, databases on the subscribers are deleted. Subscribers' file stores will remain. The publisher will become a single site server. Databases are then migrated. Once the databases are migrated, replication must be manually recreated. So to go over it again, before Vault Professional 2021, before Vault Professional 2022, which uses merge replication, the subscribers are both writing and reading to and from the publisher. You notice the direction of the arrows. When upgrading to Vault 2022, replication is disabled. This is because Microsoft SQL provides no API to automate the transition from merge to transactional replication. It's not a process that's carried out very often. But when replication is disabled, the publisher is converted into a single site server to migrate the databases. Notice that each Vault server connected to each subscriber will retain its file store. The file store on the subscribers and the Vault servers connected to the subscribers is not deleted. Replication is manually re-established using transactional replication through the ADMS console. Don't do it through SQL Server Management Studio. Never begin an upgrade process without first creating a restorable backup of Vault databases and file stores. The best practice is to restore that backup to a test environment and familiarize yourself with the backup process before undertaking a production environment upgrade. For more information, refer to Vault's online help. Thank you very much.